Greetings, fellow space explorers. Get ready for an exciting journey. We're traveling to a giant planet with shimmering rings. Our destination's Saturn. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed.
Saturn has fascinated people for centuries. Its beauty is captivating. Let's uncover the secrets of this ringed wonder together. Get ready to learn amazing facts. Prepare to have your curiosity ignited.
Saturn is a gas giant, much like Jupiter. It's huge. You could fit 760 Earths inside Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It's really far away. Saturn is a cold planet. It's mostly made of hydrogen and helium.
Saturn is best known for its rings. These rings make Saturn unique and easily recognizable. Imagine a giant flat disk surrounding a planet. That's what Saturn's rings look like. We'll explore those rings more closely in a bit. Get ready for an amazing sight.
Saturn's rings are truly awe-inspiring. These magnificent rings have captivated astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. Their sheer beauty and complexity are a testament to the wonders of our universe. They're made of billions of particles. Each particle, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the formation and maintenance of these rings. It's fascinating to think about the countless collisions and interactions that have shaped them over time. These particles range in size, from the tiniest specks of dust to larger chunks of ice and rock. The diversity in size is astounding. This variation contributes to the unique texture and appearance of the rings. Some are as small as dust grains. These minuscule particles, though seemingly insignificant, are essential in creating the delicate structure of the rings. Others are as large as mountains. Imagine the colossal forces at play to keep these massive objects in orbit around Saturn. The rings are mostly ice. This icy composition gives the rings their brilliant, reflective quality, making them visible even from Earth with the help of a telescope. They also contain some rock and dust. These additional materials add to the complexity and beauty of the rings, creating a mosaic of different elements.
The rings are incredibly thin. Despite their vast expanse, they are surprisingly delicate, with a thickness of only about 10 meters in most places. Even though they're vast, they're also delicate. This fragility makes them all the more remarkable as they have managed to survive the harsh conditions of space for millions of years. Can you imagine a sheet of paper stretching across a football field? That's how thin Saturn's rings are in comparison to their width. Saturn's rings are even thinner than that. This comparison helps us grasp just how extraordinary these rings are. The rings are constantly moving. This perpetual motion is a dance of celestial mechanics, governed by the gravitational forces of Saturn and its moons. They orbit Saturn at incredible speeds. Some particles travel at speeds of up to 48,000 kilometers per hour, creating a dynamic and ever-changing spectacle. It's like a cosmic ballet, with billions of particles dancing around the planet. This mesmerizing dance is a reminder of the beauty and complexity of our universe, a never-ending performance that has been ongoing for eons.
Saturn has many moons. These moons vary greatly in size, composition, and characteristics, making them a fascinating subject of study for astronomers and scientists alike. Over 80 have been discovered. Each of these moons has its own unique features and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Two of the most fascinating moons are Titan and Enceladus. These moons have captured the imagination of scientists due to their intriguing properties and potential for harboring life. Titan is Saturn's largest moon. It stands out not only because of its size, but also because of its complex and dense atmosphere. It's even bigger than the planet Mercury. This makes Titan the second largest moon in our solar system, only surpassed by Jupiter's moon, Ganymede. Titan has a thick atmosphere, which is rare for a moon. This atmosphere is primarily composed of nitrogen with traces of methane and other hydrocarbons, creating a unique and dynamic environment. The surface of Titan is dotted with lakes and rivers of liquid methane and ethane, making it the only other place in the solar system known to have stable liquid on its surface.
Enceladus is a much smaller moon. Despite its size, it has become one of the most intriguing objects in the solar system. It's covered in ice and it reflects sunlight brilliantly. This icy surface makes Enceladus one of the brightest objects in our solar system. Enceladus has geysers that erupt from its south polar region. These geysers are a key focus of scientific research. These geysers spew water vapor and ice particles into space. The material ejected from these geysers forms a plume that extends far into space. Scientists believe that Enceladus may have a subsurface ocean. This ocean lies beneath its icy crust and could be kept liquid by heat generated from tidal forces. This ocean could potentially support life. The presence of water, along with organic molecules detected in the plumes, makes Enceladus a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Future missions to Enceladus aim to explore these possibilities further, potentially unlocking the secrets of this icy moon and its hidden ocean. Similarly, Titan continues to be a target for exploration, with missions planned to study its atmosphere, surface, and the potential for life in its methane lakes. The moons of Saturn, with their diverse and intriguing characteristics, continue to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts, promising many more discoveries in the years to come. Section 5, a swirling atmosphere. Saturn's atmosphere is a wild place.
It's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, just like Jupiter's. Winds on Saturn can reach incredible speeds. They've been clocked at over 1,000 miles per hour.
That's faster than a hurricane on Earth.
Saturn's atmosphere has bands of different colors. These bands are caused by differences in temperature and composition. The colors are subtle, but they create a beautiful pattern. It's like a giant, swirling work of art.
Section 6, unveiling Saturn's secrets. The Cassini mission. NASA's Cassini spacecraft spent over a decade exploring Saturn.
Cassini provided incredible insights into this ringed wonder. The spacecraft orbited Saturn from 2004 to 2017. It sent back breathtaking images and valuable data.
Cassini studied Saturn's rings, moons, and atmosphere.
It even dropped a probe onto the surface of Titan. The Cassini mission was a remarkable achievement. It taught us so much about Saturn and its place in our solar system.
Section 7, fun facts about the ringed giant. Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, is often called the ringed giant because of its stunning ring system, but there's so much more to this fascinating planet than just its rings.
Did you know that Saturn could float in water? It's true. This is because Saturn is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, making it less dense than water. Saturn is less dense than water. In fact, its average density is only about 0.687 grams per cubic centimeter, which is significantly lower than water's density of 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Of course, you'd need a really big bathtub. Imagine a bathtub large enough to hold a planet with a diameter of about 116,460 kilometers. That's nearly 9.5 times the diameter of Earth.
Saturn's rings are always changing. These rings are made up of countless small particles, ranging in size from tiny dust grains to large chunks that orbit the planet. Over time, they spread out and become fainter. Scientists believe that the rings may eventually disappear entirely, although this process could take millions of years.
Saturn has a hexagonal storm at its north pole. This bizarre six-sided jet stream is unlike anything seen on any other planet in our solar system. This storm has been raging for decades. The hexagon is about 30,000 kilometers wide, and its persistence is a mystery to scientists. Imagine a hurricane shaped like a hexagon. The winds within this storm can reach speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour.
Saturn's day is much shorter than Earth's. Despite its massive size, Saturn rotates very quickly on its axis. It only takes Saturn about 10.7 hours to rotate once. This rapid rotation contributes to the planet's oblate shape, meaning it is flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. Section 8, Mythic Tales of Saturn.
Ancient cultures were fascinated by Saturn. The Romans named Saturn after their god of agriculture. Saturn was associated with time, harvest, and abundance. Many myths and legends surround Saturn.
In Greek mythology, Saturn was known as Cronus. Cronus was the king of the Titans and the father of Zeus. Saturn's rings have inspired countless stories and works of art. They represent the beauty and mystery of the cosmos. Section 9, keep exploring.
Our journey to Saturn has just begun. There's still so much to learn about this fascinating planet. Keep exploring. Read books, watch documentaries, and explore the internet. The more you learn about Saturn, the more amazed you'll be. Share your knowledge with others. Inspire them to join the adventure of space exploration.
Section 10, join the journey.
Don't stop here. Subscribe to our channel for more cosmic adventures. We'll explore the wonders of the universe together. Like this video and share it with your friends. Let's spread the love of space. Leave a comment below and tell us what you learned. What fascinates you most about Saturn? We love hearing from our fellow space enthusiasts.
Section 11. Thank you, stargazers.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey to Saturn. Your curiosity and enthusiasm make exploring space a joy. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring. Until next time, stargazers.